Hi everyone. In the last video, we have learnt two letter words using A sound. Are you all clear with that? Okay, today we are going to learn two letter words using E sound. Shall we start? This letter is E. This letter is E. This letter is Ba. This letter is Ba. Already we have discussed the second letter sound must pronounce as half. Ba means ib. Ba means ib. E, ib, ib. E, ib, ib. This letter is E. This letter is E. This letter is Da. This letter is Da. Once again, we have discussed the second letter sound must pronounce as half. Da means id. Da means id. E, id, id. E, id, id. This letter is E. This letter is E. This letter is Ga. This letter is Ga. Ga means ig. Ga means ig. E, ig, ig. E, ig, ig. This letter is E. This letter is E. This letter is Ma. This letter is Ma. Ma means im. Ma means im. E, im, im. E, im, im. This letter is E. This letter is E. This letter is Na. This letter is Na. Na means in. Na means in. E, in, in. E, in, in. This letter is E. This letter is E. This letter is Pa. This letter is Pa. Pa means ip. Pa means ip. E, ip, ip. E, ip, ip. Shall we repeat again? E, ib, ib. E, ib, ib. E, id, id. E, id, id. E, ig, ig. E, ig, ig. E, im, im. E, im, im. E, in, in. E, in, in. E, ip, ip. E, ip, ip. Hope everybody understand how to read two-letter words using E sound. Learning is very easy until you understand. If you like this video, subscribe, like, share, and remember to comment. Thank you. See you again.